Hi everyone, welcome to Sys Week. My name is Akanksha and we'll talk about best Mac cleaners today. But before that, don't forget to click the subscribe button below. So I'll just walk you through best Mac cleaners to optimize your Mac. On number 1, we have Smart Mac Care. Smart Mac Care throws away the unease of manual decluttering and also acts as a dedicated optimization tool. It also helps in cleaning the unwanted files and save a good disk space. Keeps your Mac safe from hidden malware, trojans, adware and spyware. It ensures total cleanup and optimization. Detects and removes junk file that could be eating up storage on your Mac. Scans for sensitive information stored in internet browsers to enhance the privacy. It allows users to easily uninstall suspicious or unnecessary apps on your Mac. Scan and delete duplicate copies of files to recover chunks of storage. Remove startup apps to improve your Mac's boot speed. You can download Smart Mac Care from the link below. On number 2, we have CCleaner for Mac. CCleaner helps in analyzing the disk space, protects your privacy, and helps in finding the unwanted files throughout the various drivers. Its free or professional bundle offers different options like scheduled cleaning, automatic updates, faster computer, etc. Smart cleaning to clear junk files from the browser and other places. Comprehensive registry cleaner to solve every registry specific problem. Next we have Disk Clean Pro. Disk Clean Pro is a popular tool for complete disk cleanup without putting your important data at risk. Memory Optimizer is a feature which enables to free RAM occupied by other applications. One-click cleaning gives you the liberty to clean your system and boost your system's performance in a single click. Duplicate Finder allows scanning and removing all the duplicate files present on your Mac. On number 4, we have Clean My Mac. When you launch Clean My Mac, it scans the disk properly and comes out with the results having system junk, trash and more things like that. Increases the boot time up to 4 times. Can clear large hidden files, detects malware and removes them. Okay, so number 5, we have Mac Booster 7. Another Mac cleaner app that keeps your Mac safe from more than 20 junk files. It cleans your Mac from all the corners and removes junk files to free up more space. Mac Booster 7 keeps your Mac away from potential threats, malware, spyware, adware and other such attacks. It quickly locates large and old files and removes them if needed to free up the space. So next we have App Cleaner and Uninstaller by Nectonic. This tool again helps in deleting and uninstalling the apps completely from your Mac. It correctly and safely uninstalls the applications. Remove all service files of applications. Removes remains of previously deleted apps. And next we have DaisyDisk. This app shows the scanning results in an interesting pie chart. With this, you can easily find an unusually large file, preview the content, and delete when not needed. Scanning various disks doesn't require much time and is done quite quickly. Optimize existing storage instead of buying a new one makes it cost effective. On number 8, we have Disk Inventory. Another efficient disk cleaning tool for Mac. It scans the disk usage and shows the final results in a tree map format with different colors. Get a summary of your disk usage, both in text and visual manner. Clean interface and colorful graphic representation stands it apart from the competitors. Well now, Disk Doctor is on number 9th. Once Disk Doctor has scanned the disk, it separately mentions the usage in numbers. This app mainly categorizes results in application cache, application logs, browser data, trash can, downloads, mail downloads, and large file groups. Remove tons of unneeded files from your Mac within a few minutes. Onyx is another free software to analyze and optimize a disk on Mac. It helps in deleting cache, certain problematic folders, files, and rebuilding various databases and indexes. It allows to set up automated scripts for maintenance, cleaning, and rebuilding Mac. Bundles a range of additional Mac OS applications such as screen sharing, network diagnostics, and utility. Requires no registration prior to use and is absolutely free to download. So that's all guys. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our official YouTube channel.